Vanel and Dunhaven.
Got it.
Delta 581, they just turned on finesse.
Gonna be a hack assault.
Westbound finesse.
Going westbound on finesse towards Marsh Lane. Just
Northbound on Post.
Just turned northbound on Post.
You on Chase?
10-4, he rammed a cover vehicle.
Fuck!
Shit! Delta 581, we're about to be going under Northwest Highway on DNT. We're still southbound on Dallas North Tollway.
Fuck, dude.
We're coming up to the Mockingbird exit. What the fuck is he doing? He said so many.
Get me that plate so I can put the registration info on there.
I don't have. Please don't fuck up, sir. Don't fuck up. Don't do anything stupid.
Fuck.
Oh my god!
North 6700 something. Just wrecked out. Hit one vehicle. Let's get somebody to check him out. 6700 Lemon is the last address I got.
Tell the fucking ground police! Police, stop! Shots fired! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands! Crawl out here! Crawl out here! Crawl out here! Lay on your fucking stomach! Lay on your fucking stomach! Put your arms out! Do not fucking move! Do not fucking move! Show me your hands! Ready? Ready? Don't rush it. Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Behind him. All right, crawl forward towards us. Crawl towards us. Keep coming. You ready? Okay. Keep coming. All right, are we ready? You ready? Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, here we go. Ready? I got point. Keep your hands where we can see them. Point the palms up. Do not fucking move. Palms up. Okay.
Bravo 534, we need some officers out here to cover the perimeter and all of the doors of this hangar.
Got ambulance.
Hey, watch out. Let me put a tourniquet. Joseph, let me put a tourniquet on him. All right, I'm putting a tourniquet on it.
Bravo 534, give some, field officers out here. The area is wide open here on the, west side.
Tell the fucking ground police!